Here's a 1990 Chevrolet Scottsdale K1500 extended cab 4x4, just in a unique specialty in classics. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Actually has been with the previous owner for 22 years. A little over 81,000 miles on this one is all. Of course, the 5.7 liter V8 underneath the hood. That's paired up with an automatic with overdrive transmission. Power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Let's take a look at this front grille. Chrome on the bumper. As you can see by the paint on this, it does have a slight conversion to it, and we'll get around to the interior. I'll show you that. Obviously the running boards and the paint scheme, kind of back in the day, there was different conversion companies that would change the paint up on them, put on their own graphics, interior. This one's marked as a gentleman's truck on the rear side beds. We'll get around to that in just a bit. First of all, check out all the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. That's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on Ultra wheels, Eldorado radials. Now, this does appear to be the original graphics that the conversion company would have put on it, with of course the blue paint behind. Paint does show its age, as you can see. Again, solid, nice driving truck. 81,000, clean Carfax. Paint shows its age a little bit. Let's take a look down this passenger side. Look around the wheel wells. Lots of times you're going to see a lot of corrosion on these. Looks good around those wheel wells. You'll be able to see the bottom sides of the doors in the still pictures. That out. Interior, again, conversion done on the interior. So we have cloth split bench seat. Basically, it looks like 40-20-40. Stock looking dash. We're getting around to the driver's side. Check that out a little bit closer. I'm going to show you something about that armrest on the center console fold down. Tonneau cover. There's a soft tonneau cover. Can push and pull. It will automatically roll up for you as far as when you're pushing or pulling it manually. These side marker lights would have been added with the conversion. Let's take a look above these rear wheel wells on the driver's and passenger side. First, the passenger side looks good. Not a bunch of corrosion. Looks like we may have had some different paint done on the rear of this. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Take a look at the chrome in the rear bumper. You'll be able to see still pictures of the box on our website. Again, UniqueClassicCars.com. So you'll see all the still pictures, underside, interior, engine bay. Like I said, that bed with the tonneau cover open and closed. See it both ways. Take a look down the driver's side here. And again, around the wheel wells. Lots of times you've seen Midwest trucks. You know what they look like above those wheel wells. This one looks pretty good. Same with the cab corners, those lower rockers. All right, let's go ahead and move on to this interior. Some wood elements added in that conversion also, along with the fabric on the doors. Power windows, power locks. All right, now as far as seats, you can see it has had the conversion in the seating area. As far as this armrest, this will fold back, fold forward both ways, so you have your cup holders, center console, and then right down here, we can see this lever. By pulling that, that's what releases it so you can fold it forward. As far as folding it back, we should be able to just flip it, locks into place, and now if you wanted to fold it forward, this lever that I just pointed out earlier, that will release it, pull it forward towards the dash. Tilt column, cruise control. I've had the wipers working, AM/FM radio working. go ahead and fire it up. And there's your exact miles. 81,460. No service yet, engine soon, warning lights, anything like that on. There's the gauges, they're all working. Let's take a look at the stereo. Volume. And you would have an equalizer and a cassette. Goes to the head unit over here. AC blows cold. There's your climate control. Top of the dash does not appear to be sun-baked, cracked, or bad shape at all. Headliner's going to be different. That'd be something done in the conversion also. Rear sliding glass. You're going to be able to see the still pictures of the rear seats. In with the rest of the still pictures. Probably close to 100 pictures of this truck online. UniqueClassicCars.com. Slip around to the back so you hear it run. I guess kind of what you'd expect out of a 5.7 liter V8 from Chevrolet back in the early 90s. If you stick around to the very end of this video, we're going to take this truck for a drive, go down the road with it, show you how it drives out. But first, let's pop the hood, check out the engine bay. So I'm going to pause this a second, I'll be right back. There's a good look at the underside of the hood and engine bay. Once again, power steering, power brakes, AC cold. 350, automatic with overdrive paired up to that. You can see a technician's review, a little checklist, and with the still pictures too. Truck checked out well. Let's go ahead and take it for a spin too, show you how it goes down the road. 1990 Chevrolet Scottsdale K1500 extended cab 4x4. Clean Carfax, previous owner had 22 years. A little over 80,000 miles. Call us 507-386-1726, UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. If you're seeing it on YouTube, it's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1990 Chevrolet 1500 pickup truck, extended cab. This truck has got the graphics package on the outside. Nice driving truck. The odometer showing only 81,460 miles currently. Acceleration is as you would expect. The oil pressure is about 40. Temperature is a quarter of the way up the gauge. Fuel is just under half, and the battery is charging at about 12.5 to 13. So that all looks good. Our indicators here are working. The radio works just fine. The display is working. The AC is blowing cold, and this screen also working. A lot of times the older ones you don't get to see that working. Now this one also has a 5-band equalizer with the cassette player over in the center. You rarely ever see that. Nice feature to have. Cargo lamp below there. Comfortable cloth seats in this truck. Our brakes are working well. Nice tight steering. Doesn't lean much in the corner. A little bit of a conversion. We've got some extra switches and ceiling mounted panels, plush visors, fold down extended cab seat. Just turned on the cruise control and that is working. Very nice condition truck. with some special features. Take a look at all the pictures and learn more about this Chevy at uniqueclassiccars.com.